Most crimping tools produce inconsistent crimps, or break after light use. I analyzed 5 electrical crimpers that actually deliver reliable connections across every wire gauge. What I found about ratchet mechanisms will prevent you from wasting money on tools that fail mid-project. Here we go. Starting off at number 5, this one's built specifically for ferrule work, which is something most general crimpers fumble. We have the Klein Tools Ferrule Hex Crimper. What stands out immediately is the built-in ratchet that automatically adjusts to whatever ferrule size you're working with. You're not guessing whether you've squeezed hard enough or worrying about inconsistent pressure. It won't release until the crimp is fully seated, which means every connection comes out the same way every time. The tool handles 10 to 22 AWDIE stranded wire, and it uses 6 precision dies to create proper hex crimps. That's the full 360-degree compression you need for ferrules, so you're not dealing with the weak points that come from partial crimps or uneven pressure distribution. Now, this next feature is what separates it from basic ferrule pliers. There's an adjustment dial that lets you fine-tune the crimping force. If you're working across different ferrule materials or need to dial in for specific applications, you've got actual control, instead of just hoping it works. Here's what's most surprising. Klein Tools designed this to be pretty compact for a ratcheting crimper. It's not going to fatigue your hand on repetitive panel work, and it fits into a tool bag without taking over. Users report that the ratchet mechanism stays smooth, even after hundreds of cycles, which matters when you're doing production runs or large installations. The key advantage here is that it's purpose-built for ferrules, rather than trying to be a jack of all trades. For control panel work, industrial wiring, or any application where ferrules are standard, this delivers clean, compliant crimps, without the trial and error. Keep in mind that it's ferrule specific. If you need a general-purpose crimper for insulated terminals, this isn't the right pick. Link is in the description. Next up at number 4, here's where versatility becomes the whole point. We have the haisstronica 6-piece Ratchet Crimping Tool. This solves a problem most single-purpose crimpers create. You're working with heat shrink connectors one day, solar terminals the next, and insulated wire ends the day after that. Instead of juggling 3 different tools, this gives you 6 interchangeable dies in one kit. Each die is chrome-plated and marked with AWG sizing, so you're not guessing which one fits your wire gauge. The range covers heat shrink connectors, insulated and nylon terminals, non-insulated terminals, cable end sleeves, open barrel terminals, and solar connectors. That's basically every common connector type you'll run into on job sites or project work. Now, what makes this work is the jaw design itself. The tool uses 40 CR precision forged jaws that lock tight during the crimp cycle. That means no jaw drop when you're working in tight spaces or outdoor conditions where tool stability matters. The ratchet won't release until the crimp completes fully, which gives you consistent pressure across all 6 die types. But here's where it gets practical. When you switch between connector types, the dies swap out quickly without tools or complicated adjustments. You're not losing time between tasks or carrying multiple crimpers to cover your bases. For technicians who work across different systems, electricians handling varied installations, or anyone building out solar arrays and control panels in the same week, this covers the range without compromising on crimp quality. One thing to note is that it's a generalist tool. If you're doing nothing but ferrule work all day, a dedicated ferrule crimper will be more precise. But for varied work, this is hard to beat. You'll find the link in the description. Next up at number 3, this is the one that handles both sides of heat shrink work in a single package. We have the haisstronica Heat Shrink Crimping Tool HS8327. Here's what makes this different. Most crimpers leave you hunting for compatible connectors or force you to buy them separately. This ships with 200 heat shrink butt connectors already matched to the tool, so you're ready to work right out of the box. The jaw design is built specifically for heat shrink terminals rather than trying to adapt a general purpose crimper. You get color-coded markings in red, blue, and yellow that match standard heat shrink connector sizing. That means you're not second-guessing which position to use for each wire gauge. Now, this next part is where the ratchet mechanism earns its place. The tool uses a thickened internal ratchet that self-adjusts based on connector size. It applies the right amount of pressure for each gauge, then releases automatically once the crimp seats fully. No over-crimping that damages the heat shrink shell. No under-crimping that leaves weak connections. What's even better is the adjustable star wheel on the crimp height. If you're working with connectors from different suppliers or need to fine-tune for specific applications, you can dial in the exact crimping force instead of accepting whatever the tool decides. Users report that the ergonomic handle stays comfortable even during repetitive connector runs, which matters when you're prepping harnesses or doing production assembly work. The quick release lever on the inside of the handle opens the jaws instantly if you need to reposition mid-crimp. For anyone doing automotive wiring, marine electrical work, or building custom cable assemblies where heat shrink connectors are standard, this gives you the Crimper and a solid starter stock of terminals in one purchase. Keep in mind that it's optimized for heat shrink connectors specifically. If your work involves mostly non-insulated terminals or ferrules, one of the more versatile options might serve you better. Link is in the description. These products are great, but there are hundreds of deals every day, and most of them are trash. That's why I pick the 5 best from each category every day and post them for free on Telegram. And you can choose only the categories that interest you, with zero spam. Link in the description. Next up at number 2, this is where the complete kit approach makes the most sense. We have the Sopoby Ferrule Crimper Kit. If you've ever bought a Ferrule crimper, only to realize you need to source compatible ferrules separately, this fixes that problem entirely. You get the crimping tool, plus 1800 wire ferrule, right out of the box, covering AWG 22 through 8. That's enough terminals to handle multiple projects without a separate order. The tool itself handles AWG 28 through 7, which spans fine control wiring up to heavier gauge work. That range covers most residential panel work, industrial equipment connections, and control cabinet installation without needing multiple crimpers. What's even better is the self-adjustable ratchet design. It automatically sizes itself to match whatever ferrule diameter you're working with. You're not manually adjusting settings between wire gauges or worrying whether you've applied enough pressure. The ratchet locks until the crimp completes fully, which keeps your connections consistent across the entire gauge range. Now, this next part matters more than you'd expect. The handle uses nylon construction with leverage geometry built in. That translates to less hand fatigue when you're running production crimps or doing repetitive panel prep. Users report that the handle stays comfortable, even after extended sessions, which makes a real difference on large installation days. For technicians stocking a new van, but SLS DIYers building out a workshop, or anyone who needs a functional ferrule setup without piecing together components, this delivers everything in one purchase. You're working within minutes instead of waiting on separate terminal orders. Keep in mind that while it covers a wide AWG range, if you need micro precision for specialized industrial work, a dedicated high-end ferrule tool might be more appropriate. Link is in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And finally, number 1. This is where professional-grade precision meets everyday reliability. We have the Klein Tools Ratcheting Insulated Crimper 10-22. Here's what sets this apart. Most crimpers force you to choose between versatility and precision, but Klein Tools built 3 dedicated crimping cavities directly into the jaw. Red for 22 through 16 AWG, blue for 16 through 14, and yellow for 12 through 10. Each cavity is sized exactly for its range, so you're getting proper compression every time, instead of hoping a universal jaw adapts correctly. Now, this next detail changes how the tool performs under load. The compound action design multiplies the force you apply with each squeeze. That means less hand fatigue on repetitive jobs and enough power to seat larger gauge terminals without maxing out your grip strength. But here's where Klein really separates this from basic ratchet crimpers. There's an adjustment dial that fine-tunes how much force transfers to the terminal. If you're working across different insulated terminal brands or need to dial in for specific wire conditions, you've got actual control instead of accepting whatever pressure the ratchet decides. What makes this even more practical is the dual-sided cavity design. The crimp profile stays consistent, whether you're approaching from the left or right side of the tool, in tight panel work, or awkward angles. That flexibility keeps your crimps uniform without repositioning. Users consistently report that the ratchet mechanism stays smooth and precise, even after thousands of cycles, which matters when you're running production work or doing panel builds, where every connection needs to be right the first time. For electricians, technicians, or anyone doing regular insulated terminal work where consistency and brand reliability matter, this delivers professional results without the learning curve. Keep in mind that it's built specifically for insulated terminals. If your work centers on ferrules or heat shrink connectors, one of the specialized options will serve you better. Link is in the description. Now you know which crimpers deliver reliable connection without mid-project failures or weak crimps that cause callbacks. For professional insulated work, number 1. For ferrule precision, number 5. For varied connector types, number 4. For heat shrink applications, number 3. For a complete starter kit, number 2. Tool prices fluctuate with supply chains, so check the links in the description now.